Myyrmäki kuohu.
Yeah, the date is the 21st of July 2021, and let me just pay attention to this, because this is with MP6 occupied light here and stop and lamp, but still bit 1975, so this has to be, or not 75. Agenda number is H319747. It's going to be expected in next year, 2022, and this is Löydöstie Vägen 1, staircase H, with 7 floors, and the tallest one here of these buildings. And it's in Myyrmäki, Länsi-Vantaa, Västra-Vantaa, Western Vantaa, here in Helsinki's host region, Uusimaa, Finland. I have to change the battery. Yeah. Filmed about 20 already, so
Yeah.
that's why I'm changing it. But I'll put it so it's charging in every staircase.
Yeah.
So that is not a problem.
Expected bytes being maintained by Schiller.
So I will probably take a separate ride here.
Yeah. That's